The S24 series major camera update released in South Korea last week and recently in Europe. It has started to roll in the US as well, but it is carrier locked units only at the moment. The update has a firmware version ending with AXP7 and requires a download of 680 MB. It comes with the February 2024 Android security patch, and there is some of the changelog which people have noted. Brighter backlit shots say goodbye to washed out photos. High pixel mode now shines with better balance in bright scenes. Sharper tech zoom for only S24 Ultra. Get closer than ever with crystal clear text. Ultra smooth video. S24 Ultra only captures your moment with stunning clarity and details. Indoor portrait enhancement. This is also for the S24 Ultra only. Brighter shadow, sharper faces. Perfect indoor portrait every time. Food fiesta mode. Color pop and flavors come alive with richer, more vibrant food photos. Night mode magic experience, improved saturation and white balance for more natural looking nighttime shots. DNG gallery zoom, explore your photos in even greater detail with improved image quality when zooming in the Expert RAW app. Action heroes, Galaxy S24 Ultra only, capture fast moving subjects in backlit condition with sharper focus and clearer details. Subject shine, that also for Galaxy S24 Ultra only. People, flower and more come to life with optimized exposure and color expression in photo mode. If you live in the US and yet to receive the update on a carrier locked phone, you can try manually go into settings and